If you're craving a quick and flavorful guacamole minus the heat, then this easy recipe is for you. With only 4 simple ingredients, it's fresh and ready in minutes. For this recipe, you'll want either 2 large avocados or 3 medium avocados. So we're gonna simply just cut these open, twist out the seed, and just scoop it out into our bowl. Now you're welcome to jot down the recipe as we go, or you can click on the link in the video description below, which takes you to the full recipe and instructions on my website, gentletummy.com. Next, I'm gonna cut 1 lime in half and then juice it into our guacamole for about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now for the garlic, you could add fresh minced garlic or garlic powder. I have found that the fresh minced garlic can be a little bit strong because it hasn't been cooked down first. So my preference is to use the garlic powder, but you could use whichever you prefer. So I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon salt, but you could certainly add more to taste. And then we simply mix it together. And you could use either a fork or a pastry cutter like I am. And it is ready to be enjoyed. That is so delicious. I love the touch of lime and a little bit of garlic and salt, which really bring out that natural avocado flavor. Well, thank you for joining me for this quick recipe, and I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, and it will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.